Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be testing out some new Sheglam makeup. I love doing these videos. I find so many great makeup products from Sheglam. So I have a few new releases here which I'm very excited about. The first thing is the new Skin Focus High Coverage Powder Foundation. So I'm really looking forward to this because yeah, powder foundations I feel like are making a comeback right now. And then I also have this mascara. So I have like a bunch of Sheglam makeup, but I've never tried the mascara from them. So this one is new and it's the all-in-one volume and lengthening mascara. Yeah, that's the two newest products that I'll be testing today, but I'll be completing the rest of my face with older Sheglam makeup, like stuff that you've seen me use before and other videos that I really like. So yeah, I'll be using like all Sheglam makeup for my face today. So before we get into it, if you are new to my channel, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button down below. Click the bell next to that so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you like and enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. So again, this is what the packaging looks like for the powder foundation. And then it comes in this really cute little velvet sleeve. Kind of similar to their other liquid foundation. This is what it looks like right here. Really nice packaging. We get this little kind of leaflet which tells us how to use it and everything. But yeah, this packaging is actually really pretty. It's quite kind of like simple, kind of minimal, but just really nice. I like it. It opens up like that, so we have the powder there, and then with this we also get a mirror underneath, and we get this little sponge applicator which I'll be using to apply the foundation today. So yeah, that's what it looks like there. And I have the shade Sand. So the info in this says, say bye bye to unwanted shine and hello to a soft, smooth and weightless full coverage finish. Our oil control soft focus powder foundation features a talc free formulation enriched with natural shea butter and jojoba seed oil that removes shine while making your skin appear silky smooth. The sponge here has like the standard sponge feeling on one side and then a little bit more of a kind of fluffy side. So the sponge side you use to kind of apply the foundation all over the face, and then the fluffy side it says to use for touch up or to set the makeup in place. I've only moisturised my skin. I don't have primer or anything on. I want to just see how this goes by itself. Okay, so far so good. There's some good coverage here. Another powder foundation that I've been really enjoying lately is from Makeup Forever. That's a really nice powder foundation. So I feel like I've been seeing powder foundations from other brands creep up lately, which is very interesting because for years it's always been like liquids mostly, and I do enjoy a liquid foundation, like, to be honest, but it's good to see some powder ones making a comeback because when I first started, you know, using makeup, like so many years ago now, like when I was in secondary school, like early secondary school, I wore foundation and it was a powder foundation. It was that Max Factor like compact thing. I don't know if you guys remember it, but it was like this gold compact, and that was such a good foundation like for back then. I would say it's more medium coverage, so I'm just going to use some tapping motions rather than swiping motions to kind of see if it builds the coverage a bit. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far on this one side. So I feel like it's like medium coverage. I wouldn't say it's like really high coverage. You definitely need to build this, I think. Yeah, obviously I'm not concealing, you know, I'm not applying the foundation around my eyes because I'm going to conceal there. But I would say it's more on the kind of light medium coverage, I would say, rather than high coverage. Like it claims to be full coverage, isn't it? Yeah, high coverage, full coverage, yeah. I'm going to just build it a little bit here, so I've just loaded up my sponge game a little bit more. And then just using tapping motions to press the powder into the areas where I feel like I need a little bit more coverage. Right, just here, mostly on my cheek It's added a little bit more coverage, but I wouldn't say it's like went super full coverage. I don't want to keep adding too much more to my face just in case it gets too heavy. But I actually really like how it's looking on the skin. You know, it doesn't look heavy or dry. It does look quite natural looking on the skin for being like a powder. It feels really nice and soft as well on the skin, which is good. Now what I'm going to do is just apply it to the other side and we'll see how it looks completed. Okay, so I have it on both sides now, and it looks really, really nice actually. Really nice and soft and smooth on the skin. I would say it is more in a light medium coverage. Like, you can build it, you know, to be a little bit more on the higher side of medium coverage, but I wouldn't say it's completely full coverage. Not on my skin, obviously it depends on everybody's skin types. I think this will be a really nice lightweight foundation for like spring, summer, because obviously it feels like nothing on the skin. You know, it applies nicely, it doesn't look patchy, it's not like heavy, thick, like powdery or anything looking on the skin, which is good. So I'm going to use a bunch of other Sheglam makeup to complete the look, of course. So I'm going to speed through a little bit of it till I get to the mascara, which I'm looking forward to testing out. So yeah. Okay, I'm now going to try the mascara. So this is the All-in-One Volume and Length Mascara, and it's in the shade Washable Black. So according to the information, it says that this can just come off really easily with water, I believe. Like, when you just wipe it with water, it comes off. Like, you don't have to use like an oil or anything to remove your eye makeup. Apparently it just comes off really well with water. This is the packaging for it right here. It's actually a really nice kind of just simple, light packaging, really nice, and I believe it's dual ended. This is for the volumizing and this is for the lengthening. I'm going to use the thicker side first to see if I get a bit of volume with it, and then I'll go in with the lengthening side. And I've just kept my eye makeup minimal today. I just put a little bit of eyeshadow, like a light shadow from that Sunday Picnic palette in my crease, because I want to see obviously how the mascara looks. Okay, so that's gave me volume. I feel like I should have used the lengthening side first maybe to give me longer lashes and then like woof them up with the volumizing side, but I'm going to try that on the other side. Yeah, so it looks like it's given me a good bit of volume, a bit of fullness as well, which is good. I'm going to quickly use the lengthening side. This is like more of a curved brush. Yeah, so this one's giving me, this is giving me volume as well. It's giving me length, it's giving me separation. I always find this type of brush a little bit more irritating for my eyes. Like, it just feels quite hard and like plasticky, whereas I like the brush on the other side. The kind of big bushy brushes, they're quite good. But I don't like them too bushy kind of thing, because then sometimes it doesn't like fit my eyes well, and like I get mascara everywhere. But sometimes with these little thin ones, they can be quite hard for your eyes and for your lashes, that they become annoying when you're applying your mascara. However, this is giving me a good bit of length and a good bit of volume, I think. I think I might have left this other side too long to dry. Hang on, let me just... It's going to go in with that lengthening side again. I'm trying to work really quickly here because it is drying, and I left it a little bit too long because I was trying to see the difference. I feel like they look nice and volumized and quite full. Lower lashes in a second. Okay, so that's the mascara on, and I feel like it's given me a lot of volume, and I wouldn't necessarily say a lot of length, but I would say it's given me like a lot of kind of volume, bit more fullness, which is really, really good. I like the brush on the kind of thicker side, so like on this side, I really like that because it's nice and kind of soft. The other one's a little bit harder on the eyes, but of course it's for a different reason. But yeah, I feel like it's given me a good bit of volume, which I'm really, really happy about. So of course I have completed the rest of my makeup with the other Sheglam products I have, so this is a completed look here. So I'm going to go back to the foundation. So yeah, this powder foundation is really nice. Like I really like how it looks and sits on the skin. Like it's very kind of soft on the skin. It's very, very lightweight, has a real nice kind of soft focus effect to it. It is matte, it feels very velvety smooth. I think it's a great like foundation for this spring summer because it just feels like nothing on the skin. It says it's water resistant, oil controlling as well, so if you have oily skin it may be quite good foundation for you for spring summer to kind of like keep your oil under control. I have like normal dry skin, so obviously I can't really kind of say much on that, but like hopefully it is really good for oily skins. But in my skin type I feel like it looks really good. So again, I'm really happy with these Sheglam products. The foundation is $7.49 and it comes in 36 shades. The mascara is $4.99, so very affordable products, and yeah, really good quality as well, which is great. I will leave them linked down below in the description box for you, along with the other stuff that I've used from Sheglam as well. That is it for this video, guys. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.